Introducing the future of virtual reality, Meta Quest Pro. Meta Quest Pro is not just a headset, it's a portal to new dimensions of work, creativity, and collaboration. Experience seamless multitasking with resizable screens. Organize tasks, brainstorm ideas, and chat with friends effortlessly. With world-class counterbalanced ergonomics and a sleek design, Meta Quest Pro offers premium comfort, allowing you to wear the headset for longer periods. Immerse yourself in a blend of the virtual and physical world. Experience high-resolution mixed reality passthrough, where you engage with reality while connected to virtual spaces. Let your true personality shine through virtual interactions. Meta avatars translate your real facial expressions into the virtual realm, bringing authenticity to meetings and gatherings. Experience intuitive control with Meta Quest Touch Pro controllers. Instinctive hand gestures and detailed finger actions are translated seamlessly into the virtual world. See virtual reality through a new lens. Experience striking visual clarity with pancake lenses, enhanced pixel density, local dimming, and quantum dot technology. Elevate your VR experience with powerful hardware. From 256GB storage to 12GB RAM, advanced VR/MR sensors, spatial audio, and more. Experience a new era of virtual reality with Meta Quest Pro. From gaming to productivity, it's your gateway to limitless possibilities. Ready to step into the future? Subscribe for more tech marvels, hit that like button, and elevate your virtual reality experience with Meta Quest Pro. Meta Quest Pro, redefining reality. Elevate your VR world with Meta Quest Pro.